Hello friends. Welcome you all back once again to my channel. Today being total lunar eclipse, let's see about it. Crimson silence, a moon in prayer. As twilight deepens, the sky prepares for silence. The diya glows softly, the moon rises whole and radiant, and the sky holds its breath in sacred stillness. A shadow touches her gently, the earth's quiet embrace. She turns crimson, as if wrapped in memory. It captures the blood moon in full grace, the diya's glow, and the ancestral hush you so often evoke. A shadow touches her gently, not to steal her light, but to hold her in quiet reverence. The earth leans in, a silent embrace across time. She turns crimson, not in fear, but in memory. As if every ancestor, every prayer, every pause has gathered in her glow. In homes, lamps flicker low. The flame dances, not for celebration, but for remembrance. Voices soften. Even the youngest knows, tonight is not for noise. We do not eat. We do not stir. We listen. To the hush between heartbeats. To the breath of ancestors. To the moon's quiet descent into memory. To ancestors, whose breath still stirs the flame. To breath, gentle, sacred, shared across generations. To the rhythm of reverence, not loud, not grand, but steady as the diya's glow. Tonight, we do not speak. We remember. We listen. And when she returns, pale, luminous, reborn, we offer light. A diya glows again, not in ritual, but in quiet thanks. A whisper of gratitude rises, from terrace to sky, from heart to moon. She has journeyed through shadow, and so have we. For even in darkness, the moon prays. Not with words, but with silence. Not with light, but with presence. She teaches us that even shadow can be sacred. And in her quiet glow, we remember what it means to be still. She, the crimson moon, dims not in defeat, but in devotion. The crimson moon glows in sacred silence, the diya flickers with ancestral warmth. Friends, if you liked the video, please hit like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you all for visiting my channel. Catch you all soon with yet another video.